Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
This is fun. It's so warm.
It is perfect for a rainy day. I love this. You're getting good at this, sweetie,
Thank you, Mommy. I like helping.
and you do it so well. That's beautiful, dear.
Thanks. It's for you.
I can't wait to see it.
Almost done. Look what I made.
Oh, it's beautiful.
This is the rain and this is us inside.
I love it. This soup is perfect for today.
It's so warm, Mommy.
I'm glad you like it.